Android Wear launched here at Google I/O 2 years ago, and it's seen some steady, if somewhat undramatic upgrades. That is until today. We're getting our first look at Android Wear 2.0, so let's dive right in.
So you can see here with the overall user interface, we've actually made the notifications have dark backgrounds. We've also revamped the app launcher, which you can see here. And we've also changed the quick settings shade so it's simpler. So this watch face, we've made it possible for any watch face to show a variety of data from different apps. So some of the ones that we've worked with the developer preview, here's one from Zuhanden. And so you can see I've customized this with calories from LifeSum, stock info from Robinhood. This is my to-do list from Todoist. And of course the complications can be tap targets as well, so you can launch directly into the page or part of the app that you want to. We've also redone the watch face picker on Android Wear, and so you can see here I have a bunch of watch faces I can pick from. I can actually go to this list and choose a bunch more to add to my favorites. But I actually have another example of a watch face with complications here. So there's a different one that I configured earlier, and this one has different information on it. It has my date, time zone in Honolulu, step count, weather. That's coming from weather.com.
Cool.
And so you can see overall, as a user, you just have way more variety of watch faces and information you can configure onto that watch face. As a developer, it makes your job easier because you don't have to go do these deals or source all this data yourself. You can just plug right into the platform, and the platform has all these different data providers from different apps available for you, like this one from weather.com. In terms of messaging, I have a notification here, and you can see I can reply with any of these responses here, but I can also choose a number of other options. So if you remember from last year, we actually demoed the emoji recognizer, where you can draw an emoji, it'll recognize it, and boom, I can choose from any of those. What we've added this year is this is a handwriting recognizer. So when I sketch on the watch face, it'll actually recognize the letters that I'm typing, and boom, there you go. And so that's powered by Google's machine learning. There's also a keyboard that we've made, which is also powered by machine learning, which is really good at autocomplete in terms of you can start to sketch out the word that you want. It's really good at predicting based on the letters you're touching on the screen. But even once you get the first word or two of the sentence out, it's actually quite cool how you can autocomplete the rest of the sentence. I can literally start sketching do you, and it'll be like, want to get dinner, question mark. It's like really cool. We've also added automatic activity recognition. So for example, if I started running with this watch, then it would actually detect that I've started running, and if I wanted to use Strava, it would automatically launch Strava and track my run. So over here I actually have Spotify installed. So Spotify has created a standalone app, and this is actually connected directly to the cloud via the LTE. This watch from LG has a SIM card in here, so this is connected to the internet directly now, and it's actually streaming that song directly to my watch.
If you're feeling particularly brave, you can install the developer preview today. Everyone else, though, should wait for the full release in the fall.